Burned it once, yeah me too. Now we're cooking like pros, kinda it'll do. Flipping it wrong, but it still tastes right. Bushcrafty cooks, we feast tonight. And as always, happy cooking.
Welcome back, guys. This is Bushcrafty Cooks, and we are going to make a breakfast sandwich. And as you can see, we got some farm fresh eggs, multiple colors. Oops, skillet's getting a little hot. Let's go ahead and crack some eggs. Like I said, we are making a breakfast sandwich. So, you gotta have eggs for a breakfast sandwich. Let's go ahead and break the yolks of that and try to get the egg in a sandwich area. And I'm putting some Tony's on here, like a little bit of spice. And it's got most of the seasonings in there, but salt and pepper, or salt. Actually, it might even have salt in there. So, we're going to go ahead and fry this up. And I've got my bacon in the oven already, ready to go. Well, not ready to go, it's cooking. So, once that's done, and we get our egg done, then we'll start building our sandwich, and then kind of, I don't know, grilling it, I guess, because that's how you do a grilled cheese, right? You grill it. Go ahead and do this number. Yeah, go ahead and break your egg all up. Yeah, that'll work. As long as it fits on the sandwich, that's all that matters. I'm butchering the egg. But we will be right back after I get this done. Okay, what I like to do is get over here to the side. Go ahead and pick this egg up, and we're going to put it on a paper towel for let all the oil drain out of it, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, as you can see, I have some onions and peppers that I had for my Italian sausage subs last night that I made, and I saved this because this is like gold. This stuff is yummy on anything. So we're going to go ahead and fry it just a little bit, and that's the oven telling me we're cooking. And we're going to get this warmed up, and then we can move on to our next step. Yes, we got many steps for this sandwich. Just a sandwich. But this is something you can, if you're feeling fancy and you want to make something nice for breakfast, go at it. You know, this is a Sunday yummy session. Okay, there we go. All we have to do is warm it up, because these things are already cooked. So I think it's warmed up. Let's go ahead and move it off the stove, and we'll be back on the next step. While we are sitting here waiting, we're going to go ahead and put some mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise, on our bread so that we can grill it or fry it or whatever. Take the excess off, because we've already got some oil in the pan as it is. So there's our first one. Let me go ahead and get our next one, flip it over so it'll be good on the other side, matching up. And you can use butter if you want. I just like using mayonnaise because it's easier, because I don't use margarine or any of that fake stuff. Butter takes forever. And this is a good sourdough bread that I got from the farmer's market. And it's a new lady, so we're seeing what kind of bread she has, and it looks pretty good. But like I said, we're just waiting for the bacon to get done, so we'll be back for the next step. Okay, before we turn the stove on, it might be a little bit hot already. we're going to go ahead and place our first bread down here. Doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Just put it down there. Make sure the mayonnaise side is down. Yes, this is the same pan I fried the egg in. It's okay. The bread can taste a little like an egg because you're eating an egg. Okay. Next thing we want to do is put... Yes, this is going to be cheesy. Normally, I would use provolone cheese. Or not provolone, pepper jack cheese, but I don't have any. So we're using provolone. And we're going to take our peppers and onions, flop them down here. Try to get all of them on the sandwich. Spread it out as much as you want. Like so. Yum, yum, yum. And then we're going to go ahead and take our egg and we're going to flop it down. Try to get it on there center-wise. And then we're going to go ahead and lay our bacon on here fancy-like and be all nice and special, saying we got bacon on our sandwich. And at this point, we can go ahead and turn our stove on a medium, I guess, a little bit over medium. And we're going to go ahead and put 2 things of cheese on top of here. Now it's already warm. Cheese is cold, so it might just go ahead and do its thing. And remember our way this looks, and chances are when we flip it, it's going to go floom and all over the place. But right now, that's what it looks like. Is that a sandwich or not? Oh. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and let that set and start the sizzle. And as soon as it gets done, we got a kitty sneezing in the background. As soon as that gets done, getting up to temperature, I'll be back and you can watch me fail at flipping this huge sandwich. Okay guys, we're getting a little smoke coming from the bottom of here. We're going to try to flip this. And there we go. We have successfully done the flip, and that's perfect right there. And that bread has got so much flavor in it, from a little bit of bacon grease to the egg to the onions and peppers. So all we have to do is get this going a little bit, and then we'll be ready to go. And I'm snacking on an extra piece of bacon while we're sitting here cooking. Yum yum. So this won't take long. Just have to be careful it doesn't burn. And everything's already cooked, so there's nothing to worry about. Now, sometimes I also like to put some Tabasco on here, or some Mexican hot sauce of some sort, and to give it a little kick, especially if I forgot the pepper jack cheese. But okay, let's go ahead, and we're getting a little bit of smoke now. See what we got. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, so our sandwich is done. Let's go ahead and take it over the cutting board, because for whatever reason everybody likes to see it done on a cutting board. So hang tight. Okay, here it is, guys. This is my breakfast sandwich. It is a grilled. I feel weird calling it grilled, even though, you know, like a grilled cheese, but we're going to call it a grilled bacon egg sandwich, I guess. I don't know. I'm horrible with names and stuff, but let's go ahead. Oh, we got to do this. I don't know why people do that in the videos. Can you not see it is? It's a grilled sandwich, grilled cheese. I don't know. Let's go ahead and do this number. Make sure we get it cut in half. Oh yeah, and we have onions and peppers in here. So, oh, look at that. Oh, that's looking good. Try to get some. Got 4 pieces of cheese on that thing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste, and I'll turn it sideways so you guys can see. Well, you can't really. Here, let's do this. Let's be fancy and set it up on the thing. There we go. Well, let's give it a taste. Yeah. You can see my bite. You don't have to see me eating. I'm really eating. There you go, guys. That's my bushcrafty cooks. Egg and cheese, or grilled egg and bacon, cheese. It's the same breakfast sandwich. I'll figure it out. Until next time, like always, God bless.